Welcome back to Caravan Nest, the place where we explore the most amazing motorhomes from around the world. If you love RVs, van life, or just dream about hitting the road in style, make sure to subscribe and join the nest. Here, we take you inside the most luxurious, unique, and sometimes downright crazy motorhomes that redefine life on the road. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most expensive and luxurious motorhomes ever built, priced at $2 million. That's right, a rolling mansion on wheels. For most of us, this is the kind of vehicle we'll only ever see in videos or magazines. But today, we're going to explore every inch of it, inside and out, to see if it really justifies that massive price tag. Let's get started. At first glance, this motorhome looks less like an RV and more like a private jet on wheels. Its sleek, futuristic design instantly grabs your attention. It's huge, bold, and elegant all at once. You're not just pulling into a campground with this thing, you're making an entrance. The body features aerodynamic curves, high gloss finishes, and panoramic windows that wrap around the upper deck. This isn't your grandpa's camper van. It's the future of road travel. Standing outside, the sheer scale of this motorhome is overwhelming. Depending on the exact model, it stretches over 40 feet long and towers 2 levels high. Some versions even come with hydraulic extensions that slide out, expanding the living space even further when parked. It's like carrying a full-size luxury apartment wherever you go. Now let's step inside. The first thing you notice is the living room. And wow, this is nothing like what you'd expect from a traditional RV. Instead of cramped seating and foldable furniture, you're greeted with a space that feels like the lobby of a 5-star hotel. Plush leather sofas wrap around the lounge area, creating a perfect space for entertaining. The ceilings are higher than most RVs, making the room feel open and airy. Lighting plays a huge role in the ambiance here. The designers used hidden LED strips and customizable lighting zones to give you complete control. Whether you want a bright workspace, a cozy movie night glow, or a soft ambient vibe for relaxing, everything can be adjusted with just a tap on a touchscreen. That's right, this motorhome is packed with smart technology. From the blinds to the temperature control, even the sound system, everything is automated. Moving forward, we reach the kitchen and dining area, and this is where things get even more impressive. Most RV kitchens are compact and minimal, designed just for quick meals. But here, you get a full residential-style kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, marble countertops, a luxury fridge, convection oven, induction cooktop, and even a built-in wine cooler. It's the kind of kitchen that makes you forget you're in a vehicle. There's plenty of storage for food, dishes, and cookware, meaning you can actually cook full meals instead of relying on takeout. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area. Instead of fold-out tables, you'll find a beautifully designed dining setup with space for 4 or more people. The chairs are upholstered, the table is sturdy and elegant, and the whole space feels like it was designed for long, enjoyable meals rather than quick pit stops. Imagine inviting friends over for dinner, not at your house, but in your motorhome, parked in the middle of a national park. That's the lifestyle this vehicle is selling. Now let's head to the master bedroom. If the living area impressed you, this will completely blow you away. A king-sized bed takes center stage, wrapped in premium linens and framed by soft lighting. There's a built-in entertainment system at the foot of the bed and large panoramic windows to give you breathtaking views when you wake up. With blackout blinds, soundproofing, and full climate control, this space feels more like a penthouse suite than a bedroom on wheels. And the bathroom? This is where you really start to wonder if you're still inside a vehicle. The space is massive by RV standards. There's a rainfall shower with glass doors, marble sinks, high-end fixtures, and even heated floors in some models. Honestly, I've seen apartments in big cities with smaller and less luxurious bathrooms than this one. Everything screams comfort, elegance, and attention to detail. But the luxury doesn't stop there. This motorhome is all about extras. Depending on the customization, you can get a rooftop lounge that lifts hydraulically, creating a private terrace complete with lounge chairs, a bar, and sometimes even a hot tub. Picture yourself parked on a coastal cliff, watching the sunset from your private rooftop deck. That's next-level living. Another standout feature? A built-in garage. Yes, you heard that right. Some of these motorhomes come with a garage large enough to fit a sports car. That means you can bring your Ferrari, Lamborghini, or even a small SUV with you on the road. It's like having your own mobile luxury estate, complete with a toy box underneath. And if that's not enough, some versions also include a private cinema room. Imagine plush recliners, surround sound, and a massive screen, all inside your motorhome. It's perfect for movie nights, gaming, or just relaxing after a day of travel. So now comes the big question. Is this luxury motorhome really worth $2 million? For most of us, that kind of money could buy a beautiful house, or several, depending on where you live. But for ultra-wealthy buyers, celebrities, or business moguls, it's not just about transportation. It's about freedom, privacy, and having every luxury of home while on the road. Think of it as a mobile mansion, a moving office, a party venue, and a private retreat, all in one. Of course, there are practical downsides. Maintenance on a vehicle like this is expensive. Fuel consumption isn't exactly friendly to your wallet or the planet. And let's not forget parking. Finding a space big enough to comfortably fit a 40-foot double-decker luxury motorhome isn't always easy. But then again, if you can afford the $2 million price tag, those challenges probably aren't deal breakers. For many, the value comes from the experience. Imagine taking your family across Europe without ever booking a hotel. Imagine hosting friends at a music festival with your own luxury suite on wheels. Imagine escaping the city for months at a time without sacrificing comfort. That's what this motorhome represents. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So what do you think? Would you spend $2 million on this luxury motorhome, or would you stick with something more budget-friendly? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Would you use it as a vacation machine, a permanent home, or maybe even a traveling business office? If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Caravan Nest for more amazing motorhome reviews and luxury RV tours every single week. We've got plenty more dream machines to show you, from futuristic concepts to affordable models that prove you don't need millions to live the motorhome lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep traveling, keep exploring, and keep